Are you dreaming of getting an IT job? Or do you want to upskill and get a higher package in IT industry? If you want to jump from non-IT to IT job, learn to code fearlessly, move from manual testing to automation state testing, we have a perfect solution for you. We, Rehans Qa, a leader in IT software training industry. We not only teach you the concepts, rather, we make you implement the same in live projects and prepare you to face the interviews fearlessly to get the better job before even you complete the course. Learn from our super talented and qualified faculties from BITS Pilani and IIT Mumbai. Course we offer Java Programming Core and Advanced, Python Programming Core and Advanced, API/Web Services Testing with Java and Python, Selenium Automation Testing with Java and Python, BDD Cucumber Framework Implementation with Java and Python, Database Automation with Java and Python, Robotic Process Automation, UiPath, with .NET and Python. We have 13 years of experience into IT industry and trained more than 700 plus students to find them best jobs. To enroll, call us on 915-441-4167.